feel quite strongly about it. I think it's a very good solution. I think as a person living in the northwest of England, I wanted to keep our investment in a northwest company. I wanted the money that our parishioners had saved up over the years to be invested locally, to try and bring this building back to life. The problem in the building was that we all got very warm heads. There's 4 big bar heaters, and we all got very, very cold feet. They never properly heated the building. The whole system will improve the building. The building will now be much more effectively dry. It'll have a long-term benefit, especially as it's automatic and it can create an ambient air temperature, and it's a much more inviting environment. I saw it as a long-term investment with a long-term guarantee, which I think is very worthwhile. One of the things that I just liked about it is that there's very little that can go wrong in the system. It's essentially maintenance-free. Another thing that attracted me to the system, you can control it from your phone. Oh, I'm going to church tonight, I'll just turn the heat on. It's set up to come on a Saturday morning and on a Sunday morning automatically. To bring gas up and then install a heating system was, we'd have been saving for quite a few more years, I think, to do that. And wouldn't necessarily have got what this system provides. They're very unobtrusive and they do their job very efficiently. I would recommend Northwest Heating Solutions, particularly for buildings like this. If anybody wants to come and have a look and feel the difference in a place like this, then they're very welcome to do so and contact me.